Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis and insights. Today is November 19th, 2025, and we're diving into Dycom Industries' latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2026. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Dycom has made headlines with their recent acquisition announcement. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Dycom Industries, a leader in specialty contracting services, has announced a definitive agreement to acquire Power Solutions, a premier data center electrical contractor. This acquisition is set to position Dycom for accelerated growth in the digital and data center infrastructure services sector.
Acquisition details and strategic rationale. John, let's delve into the details of this acquisition. What are the financial and strategic implications for Dycom?
The acquisition of Power Solutions, valued at $1.95 billion, is a strategic move for Dycom. Power Solutions is expected to generate approximately $1 billion in revenue for 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 15% over the past 4 years. This acquisition is anticipated to be immediately accretive to Dycom's adjusted EBIT margin and adjusted diluted EPS, enhancing their financial performance significantly.
How does this acquisition align with Dycom's long-term growth strategy?
It aligns perfectly. By acquiring Power Solutions, Dycom expands its exposure to the rapidly growing data center demand, particularly in the greater Washington, D.C. area, which is a major data center hub. This move diversifies Dycom's business and establishes a platform for long-term growth and diversification.
Financial highlights and market reaction. Let's talk about the financial aspects of this transaction. How is Dycom planning to finance this acquisition?
Dycom plans to finance the $1.95 billion acquisition with a mix of cash on hand, a $1 billion senior secured term loan, and a $700 million bridge loan facility. The pro forma net leverage is expected to be below 3.0x at closing, with a clear path to reduce it to approximately 2.0x within 12 to 18 months, thanks to the improved free cash flow profile of the combined company.
And how has the market reacted to this announcement?
The market has reacted positively, viewing this acquisition as a strategic move that enhances Dycom's capabilities and growth prospects in the digital infrastructure sector. Investors are optimistic about the potential synergies and financial benefits.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share forecast. Analysts had projected an EPS of $3.15. How does the actual performance compare?
Dycom met the analyst forecast with an adjusted EPS of $3.15 for this quarter. The acquisition of Power Solutions is expected to be accretive to EPS, which bodes well for future earnings performance. Meeting the forecast is a positive indicator of Dycom's financial health and strategic execution.
CEO's vision and future outlook. What insights did Dycom CEO Dan Peyovich share about the company's future following this acquisition?
Dan Peyovich emphasized that this acquisition is a milestone for Dycom, diversifying their business and enhancing their potential for long-term growth. He highlighted the synergies between Dycom's expertise in fiber and Power Solutions' leadership in electrical infrastructure, which are critical elements in digital infrastructure. The CEO is optimistic about the continued strong demand for digital infrastructure solutions and the company's ability to capitalize on these opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, Dycom Industries has made a strategic acquisition of Power Solutions for $1.95 billion, positioning itself for growth in the digital infrastructure sector. The company met its EPS forecast of $3.15, and the market has responded positively to these developments. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Dycom's performance and future prospects in the comments below.